7:25. We're preparing to cook the shrimp. We have some oil and garlic. Cái này tức là mình làm cho nó mặn á hả?
Đúng rồi, này mặn, cái này mới nấu canh.
Smells good. You must be making rice.
It's like sauteing the shrimp.
So like onions and garlic.
We want to make it salty. You need it light. Nói chào ông Cường con. Chào chú.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
This is Uncle Sam. He is going to make us some breakfast. So because the shrimp size is smaller, it will be easier to get the salt flavor taste more evenly inside the shrimp. Assume he's going to put some more flavoring in there. Oil and garlic is an amazing combo for many things. Hi, can you record this?
Smells like onions on a pan with shrimp and soy sauce. Now he's adding
Cái này bột
salt
ngọt.
or sugar. I'm not sure. Maybe it's like
That's called MSG,
MSG. Oh, I know what MSG.
monosodium glutamate.
Này đường.
This one's the one that's in the yellow jar is sugar. Nóng luôn. Cái này nước mắm mà.
Nước mắm.
And then dầu
Dầu ăn.
ăn. So he's refilling the sugar.
Cái này đường.
Đường. Simply dầu. Nhân. Cho cái. Vậy dầu này là nó là bằng cái đâu ra vậy?
Đậu nành á.
Oh.
Hạt đậu nành á.
Vậy mấy người ăn chay ăn được hả?
Ăn được.
So it's soybean based oil, and here we're going to add the sugar. Ủa đâu nước nó ra nhiều quá vậy?
Ngoài nó khô là mới đổ nước mắm cho. Cái tép nó ra nước.
So this came from this.
Ngoài nó khô gheo lại ngon lắm.
And a little bit, it will get much more drier. Then all the sauce will go inside the shrimp. And our gas stove, I think, is coming from propane, maybe, because I see a gas line coming out to there, so it must be a propane tank in some other wall. Kasuma. Japan design. There's our propane tank. Sending energy. Regulator. 13.8. So maybe bigger than our 20-pound USA propane tank.
Anh thì
All right. We'll just let this go, and when it turns much more drier, we'll see.